Hi everybody! In this lecture we are going to learn to print in Revit, and we will do it from Sheets in the project browser. So let's start. First, let's create a new sheet by right-clicking in Sheets and choose New Sheet. Choose the option A3 this time, and let's insert a new view there by dragging it to the title block. Then, click in this one and add it also to the sheet. First, rename the sheet and change the number to identify this is an A3 paper. On the name, add 1/100 because it's the scale we are using there. To print, open the File tab and select Print. First, we need to choose the printer. Although I cannot print on A3 paper with this printer, I want to show you how this process works anyway. Under Settings, you can configure the paper size, orientation, or other options. But there is something important here. I recommend to use a zoom setting of 100% if you need to preserve the accuracy of the scale. Let's close this window. Then, in the Print Range section, you can choose to print what's on the screen right now, the current sheet, or if you want to print multiple sheets, select this option to avoid printing them one by one. From this list, you can select the specific sheets you need to print, or it's also possible to print other views, if you want to have a draft, for example. So let's use just the A3 sheet, because the other one is in A1, so a different size. And then you can click on OK to start printing. If you want to save your work as PDF files, I recommend using the PDF option in the Export section. In the Location field, choose the folder where you want to save the document. Then, under Zoom, select the same option as before. Then, on Paper Size, we are using the sheet size, which is A3. Finally, choose between vector or raster processing under the Create Output section. Finally, click on Export to generate the PDF files. Finally, you can save these settings to keep them for the next time.